Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. I'm going to show you how to enable FPS counter in every games on your Steam library. So here I am on my PC right now, and first what you need to head over to your Steam application, and as you can see I'm right now in my Steam application, the store, and what you need to do is head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on settings after click on Steam, and then now you head over to your in-game settings over here. Just click on this one, and as you can see on the right side, in the middle, this sits an in-game FPS counter. Normally this is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just click on one of the options over here, and you should be able to see an FPS counter on your Steam games. Make sure to also enable the Steam overlay while in games. These settings over here, just copy my settings and it should be fine. You'll be able to see an FPS counter in your game. It's that simple. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. I hope this video helped you. See you in the next one. Bye bye. This is Generation Rebel. Good luck.